If your Bosch dishwasher is showing the E61 error code or refusing to run properly, don't worry. This is a common issue, and most of the time, you can fix it yourself with a few simple checks. Let's break down what E61 means and how to get your dishwasher back to normal. The E61 error usually points to a problem with the door lock system. Basically, your dishwasher isn't detecting that the door is fully closed. Since it won't operate with an open door, the cycle won't start or might stop midway. Several things can trigger this. Sometimes the door isn't closing tightly, the door lock is faulty, or there's an issue with the control board or wiring. Start by checking the door lock. First, unplug the dishwasher to work safely. Open the door and inspect the latch area and hinges. If the lock feels loose or slightly misaligned, try tightening the screws or nudging it back into position. If it looks cracked, worn out, or broken, you'll likely need a replacement. Make sure nothing is stuck in the latch area, like leftover food or debris, as even a small obstruction can prevent the door from locking properly. If the door lock seems fine, the next step is the control board. Again, make sure the unit is unplugged. Remove the top panel to access the board and look closely for burn marks, melted spots, or disconnected wires. These are signs the board may be faulty. You can also use a multimeter to test if the board is functioning correctly. If it isn't, replacing the control board is often the only solution. Finally, check the wiring. Remove the top and back panels and carefully inspect all visible wires. Look for anything burnt, frayed, or disconnected. Using a multimeter to test continuity is a good idea if you're comfortable with it. Damaged wires can sometimes be replaced yourself, or you may want to call a professional to handle it safely. Once you've checked the door lock, control board, and wiring, plug the dishwasher back in and try starting a cycle. If everything is aligned and the door is being detected properly, the E61 error should disappear. Remember, even small adjustments like repositioning the door or cleaning the latch can make a big difference. Following these steps carefully should get your Bosch dishwasher running smoothly again without needing a service call.